maybe I go to a restaurant.
Hello?
Hi.
Is it a table for one? Okay, here's your table. You can take a seat over here.
Thank you.
Will you like any drinks?
Yeah.
What?
Water and juice.
Okay, here they are.
Thank you. Good.
Here's your menu.
Okay.
So there's magic noodles, a burger, soup, pizza, or eggs.
Soup, noodles, and eggs.
Sure, coming right up. Magic noodles. Let me get a plate.
Taking so long.
This customer is so demanding. What a diva. So, noodles are done. Here are the eggs, the soup, and the noodles.
Thank you.
Hope you enjoy.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Tomatoes. It's so good in my tummy.
I'm glad you liked it. Phew, I'm glad she's happy. Would you like tea or coffee with that, miss?
Yeah, please. I'd like some coffee, please.
Coming right up. Here's your coffee.
Thank you.
You can put some sugar in it if you want.
So delicious.
Wow, did you finish all that by yourself?
The tummy ache now.
Here's some water to make you feel better.
Hi, Nana. I eat the noodles and it's so good and soup is so yummy. Come one day. Bye. Can I pay now?
That will be 11 euros, please.
Okay. 11.
That's great, thank you.
It's getting late.
Hope to see you again.
Of course. Bye.
Oh yeah, she liked it. I'm so good. She liked it. Yeah. That's enough for the day. Hope you liked our video. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.